Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing buttery garlic bread. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add the milk. Make sure the milk is warm, followed by dry active yeast, sugar, garlic powder, and stir these ingredients together till well combined. After, cover it with a napkin or a clean film and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can tell from the video, the yeast has activated. I then went ahead and added in melted butter, egg, powdered milk, and flour. The last ingredient that I'll be adding is salt. With the clean hands, I'll go in and then mix all those ingredients together till well combined and until it has formed a dough. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll also leave it in the description box or in the comment section below. So after it has formed a dough, I need it for about 7 minutes more, and then I cover it with a napkin or a clean film. I set it aside for it to double in size. So just make sure you brush on top with a little bit of oil and it will be very neat and easy for you. That's it. Cover it with a clean film and let it rest for at least 2 hours in a warm place. After 2 hours, as you can tell, it has doubled in size. I'll then take off the clean film and then transfer the dough on my work surface. With my fingertips, I'll deflate the dough and then make sure it has flattened enough before going in with the rolling pin. So you do not want to roll it thin. It should be around 7 to 8 millimeters, or if I'm not wrong, 6 to 7 millimeters. I went ahead and divided mine into 9 strips. I don't know the amount of flour that you'll be using, but make sure it's thick enough. I'll bring one of them and then fold it into 2. Make sure to pinch the egg together to stick well. This is very simple and easy. When done, roll it and tie a knot. Make sure you roll it long enough and then just tie a knot. Don't make it tightly. It should be loose as demonstrated in the video. After, I'll keep it aside for it to double in size again before baking. Once it has doubled in size, I'll go ahead and brush on top with egg wash, and that is ready to bake. The bad boys the bad boys are ready to be baked. So the egg wash is 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Wait until well combined and use it to brush on top of the dough. That's it, guys. It's very simple, easy, and it's so delicious. It turned out so delicious. Once it's baking, I'll go ahead with the parsley sauce. For the parsley sauce, I'll add a teaspoon of butter and then wait until it gets melted. I'll then add in 1 clove of garlic, crushed garlic. Let it cook for 2 minutes and I'll add in the parsley, chopped parsley, fresh chopped parsley. Stir it again for 2 minutes more and that is ready. This is very simple. You can even warm it. You can add the garlic and the butter in the oven and then melt it and then add in your parsley. You are good to go. So I bake the bread at 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, just look at it. It's very simple. So the last thing that I'll be doing here is to brush on top with the parsley sauce and you are ready. It turned out so delicious. The garlic, you feel the garlic, you feel it's soft, the bread itself, it's soft, it's yumicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section below. So guys, just look at it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing, super light, soft, fluffy. It turned out delicious with this cheese sauce. It's yummy. See you till then. Bye bye.